Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Princess Anne. Long-distance movers near me. Princess Anne's community can rely on our expert long-distance moving services for a hassle-free relocation. We provide specialized packing for delicate items and efficient loading and unloading practices, ensuring a swift and smooth move. Our commitment to customer satisfaction makes your moving experience positive and stress-free. Princess Anne's rich cultural heritage is perfectly complemented by our specialized moving services. We provide expert packing for delicate items, secure transportation of antiques, efficient residential moves, tailored office relocation services, and customized moving plans for unique needs. Our services in Princess Anne ensure a move that respects the town's unique character and history. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Princess Anne moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.